Welcome viewers to the SD online classes. Today we are doing class 10 physics chapter 1. We have finished all the theory parts and some numericals also, and now we are going to do the textbook numerical questions. Okay, in the textbook numerical question you will go to page number 45 of your textbook, and the first question is like this. The questions will be now common both in mirror and the lens. This type of questions, two questions were asked every year in the MBSc questions. So they are asked in 3 marks, 2 question 3 plus 3. So it is better you know all the problems given in the textbook, page number 45, 46 you can see. I am doing the first question. It is like this. A concave mirror, it is a case of concave mirror, produces a real image of height 2 centimeter. Height 2 centimeter means here h equal to 2 centimeter. Remember, object is always kept upside, so it is plus 2.2 of an object of height 0 point, real image of height, the image is 2 centimeter, and this is the image height, produces a real image of height means image of the image has 2 centimeter height, and real means inverted, always real is inverted, so this will be minus, and object of a height 0.5 centimeter. So that means the object is h equal to 0.5 centimeter. Object height is always positive, image is negative because real is inverted. Place 10 centimeter away from the mirror, that means object distance u is minus 10. Remember, object distance is always minus because it is kept on the left side of the mirror. Find the position of the image. You have to find what is v, and the focal length of the mirror if equal to what. So very simple question. In order to find v you need u or f, but you don't know both, so you will make use of this. There are two formula, remember. One formula is 1 by f equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. This is for the mirror formula, but I cannot use this formula directly. Why? Because here two unknowns are there, these two you don't know, you know only this. So another formula is also there, which is magnification formula. M is equal to minus v by u equal to h dash by h. This is the one you are going to use first, because if I use this, if you use this, this will be known. 1 2 3 4, here 3 of them are known. Let's use this. Minus, what is v? We don't know. What is u? Minus 10. What is h dash? Minus 2. What is h? 0.5. Remember, 0.5 is 5 by 10. Cross multiply, you can cancel this sign. 0.5 v equal to minus 10 to the 20. V equals to minus 20 by 0.5. V equal to minus 20 by 0.5 means 5 by 10. 5 by 10 is 0.5. So 10 will go in the numerator. Denominator of 0.5 is the numerator here. So here v is equal to 5 4s are 20 into 10. This will give you v is equal to minus 40 centimeter. So you got this answer already. Okay. Now the next thing is, what is the focal length? You use this formula, 1 by f equal to 1 by, what is u? U is minus 10. What is v? 1 by minus 40. Here we already got the answer. Okay. Then what is f? You can write here the sign, plus into minus, again minus here, 40 like this. Okay, the denominator minus can be kept on the numerator. This is plus into minus minus. The LCM is 40. 10 4s are 40, so 1 4s are 4. 40 1s are 40, so 1 1s are 1. So you will get 1 by f equal to, this is minus here, minus 5 by 40, right? So what is this? 1 by f equal to minus 1 by 8. So if 1 by f is 1 by 8, f will be inverse of this. The inverse of this is minus 8 centimeter. You can recheck some of the things, like this is a concave mirror. Concave mirror should be having negative focal length, so it is right, you can understand from here. Okay, so it was a real image. So real image means it will be formed on the same side of the mirror, so it is minus, right? So these are the things you can confirm from there. So these are the two answers you got. It carries 1.5 marks and 1.5 marks both sides, so 3 marks you will get like this. Okay, so thank you. This is the full answer of this question.